Welcome! In front of me I have AMAZFIT GTR 3 and I'm gonna show you how to lock the screen on this watch. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the upper button. After you wake up the screen, you will see the current watch face, the home screen. You can swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel, and on this panel you should see a bunch of icons. And one of them should look like the lock icon. And to lock the screen, simply tap on this icon, and once you tap on it, the screen will be locked. So if you try to use the touch screen, you won't be able to. This option is quite useful if, for example, you want to go with your watch on your hand under the shower, or you're sleeping with your watch on. It will prevent the mistouches on the screen without your knowledge. Okay, and to unlock the touch screen, you can press and hold the upper button and keep holding it until you see unlock message on the screen, and as you can see now we are able to use it back again. And that's how you lock the screen on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.